Girls, I want to tell you something, but promise me you ain't laugh.
Let's have it.
Look, okay.
You can never make it.
Remember the guy with the skinny leg and the big hop body? Is it the Pythagoras triangle?
Oh, no.
He left me. Normal. What do you mean by normal? What is wrong with our friend that the guy has to leave her? No, I didn't mean it like that. It's the men. They come and they go. That's what they do. But I have a man. And we have been together for 8 years. Again. Again. What is it doing? Reminding us that we are not married. And you are.
How was the hangout with the girls?
This man.
Hey, bad boy. You are a very bad boy.
He shot you.
The Lord has not spoken.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
To say that you're fine when you're not really.